What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Going to go over BTC. Currently sitting at 23.3K, up 0.04 on the day. Seeing market cap 447 billion. 24-hour volume 23.78 billion. You may hear a little bit of sizzling in the background. Just cooking up some beef short ribs. Going to be absolutely scrumdiddlyumptious. But I thought I'd make a video while they're frying. So you can sign up to Bitget, grab up to 30K in bonuses, or Bybit. These are the two exchanges I do my investing and trading. Up to 8,000 on Bitget, up to 30,000 on Bybit. Sign up to either or. Email me or sign up email. Completely free access to over 2,000 members, posting chart patterns and talking all things crypto. Let's hop into Bitcoin. So we came down to our validation point for the ending diagonal. We bounced. I think the more likely scenario is that this 5-wave impulse is done and you're now pulling back in the wave 4 in an ABC correction. There is the chance that we still push up in the wave 5 because we didn't break that wave too low. Well, we did. We actually wicked below it just barely. But not enough, in my opinion, to rule out a wave 5, but I don't think that's a likely scenario. Right now, what I think you're going through is a wave B pullback, which is usually a 50% retracement of wave A. I mean, it can be overshooting. It can even shoot above the wave A. But usually a wave B, you'll look for a 3-wave move to land in between the 50%, the 61.8% fib level before coming down in that wave C, which would take you down to in between 19.8 and 21.8K. So that's what I'm looking for here. If we pop over to the daily time frame, as I mentioned, we're pushing right up into that downsloping resistance. Money is flowing out hard on the daily time frame, which means the big boys are taking their profits and we're losing strength. So it does look like pullback is probable. And I've been mentioning seeing a bounce in the DXY for weeks now. I talked about that bullish divergence, which did play out on the 4-hour. As I've been mentioning in the daily time frame, this is massive support for the DXY, and we're oversold. And this is a beautiful opportunity to see a large bounce in the DXY, which of course would be negative for Bitcoin. And I do think that will be coming shortly. All right, gang, so just a little quick update for BTC. Do look for a rejection in between about 23.2K and about 23.3K in a wave B, and then looking to come down in a wave C to take you down to our target zone in between 19.8 and 21.8K. As you can see here, the money flow has reached the top section once again on the hourly time frame. So we may see that pullback soon. We'll have to see how it plays out. So far you can see a 3-wave move. We may push a little bit higher in that wave B before looking to come down in that wave C. That's what I'm seeing for the price of BTC. The alternative scenario, which I think is less likely, is we still push up and create a higher high in a wave 5. But with the deepness of this pullback here, I think it's more likely we're going through that ABC correction. So sign up to either Bitget or Bybit, grab those bonuses, email me or sign up email, completely free access to over 2,000 members, posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. At the 10 USD membership, early access to my analysis, signals, crypto news. You can see how the members are doing. They like to post their profits in here. And Mahalo all plays 10 USD per month. You really can't beat it. Sign up to the Patreon link and I'll see you in the next video. All right, much love. Better check out my frying short ribs here. Take care.